In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple AirTag. So the first thing we need to do is go and disconnect our AirTag from any devices that is already connected to. So I'm just going to head over to my iPhone here, and I'm going to click on the Find My iPhone app. Now, if you can't find this on your phone, then just use the search box to search for Find My, and you can open up the application from here. Now, once you're on this app, we need to select Items in the bottom navigation. And if you've previously connected your AirTag to this Apple account, then it's going to appear in this items list at the bottom. So you can see I have my backpack down here, which is essentially my AirTag. And then we're just going to click on this like so. Scroll right down to the bottom here and click on Remove Item. And you'll get this warning message pop up saying remove from Apple account, go and press remove. And once this has been removed, we can then start resetting and repairing our Apple AirTag. So what you'll need to do now is just go and grab your Apple AirTag, and you want to make sure that the silver side is facing upwards like this. Now what you're going to do is just place both of your thumbs onto the AirTag, and you need to push down slightly while turning in a counterclockwise direction. So you shouldn't need to apply much force here. This should just turn like so. And that's going to remove the back of the AirTag. And inside you'll see we have this battery. So what you're going to do is just remove the battery from the AirTag, and then you can just go and replace the battery back onto the AirTag like so. And you want to do this a couple of times. So I'm going to remove the battery and then I'm going to place it back on the AirTag. You may also hear a sound as we do this, and I'm just going to do this a couple of more times. So I'm going to remove it again and place it back onto the AirTag. And once more, just remove the battery and place it back onto the AirTag. Now, once you've done this a few times, just go and grab the silver lid of your AirTag, and we're going to use the two thumbs again to firmly press down, and this time we're going to rotate this clockwise. Now this should go and secure the lid of the AirTag, and now what we can do is go and unlock our mobile device, and you should get a pop-up straight away asking you to go and connect that AirTag. If it doesn't show up straight away, you can always just head over to the Find My iPhone app. You can then click back on Items in the bottom navigation. You can click on the plus icon and you can select Add AirTag. And from here, it's going to search for any AirTags in the area. And once it's found your AirTag, you'll be able to reconnect it straight from here. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.